This is the nature of a bird being trapped inside of a cage. Never trap a bird into a cage. I repeat, if a bird is in a cage, they will want to fly up to
Those
the
are so
cage.
cute, though.
But look at their wildlife and the
Of course,
food.
of course. Yeah, it's so cute. They're like
Oh
like
my
this blue
gosh,
one right here.
that was a bird up close. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at those birds. They are so pretty. God really does know how to create birds. You gotta create everything. And this was segment of birds. The end. This is another segment of some other birds. Look how they interact with each other. Are they biting each other butt? Wow. What are they doing? Biting each other? I guess it's two birds fighting. Or something. I never saw anything like this.
A yellow bird.
What are they doing? Oh my gosh.
They're probably mating. I believe
That's
that's
how
how
they,
they mate.
if that's how they mate, oh my gosh.
I believe.
Okay, now he's talking about the foot. I don't think so.
No, they fight.
Those are two birds actually fighting. This is another part of birds. Inside of a glass window, aka on the other side of their cage. So pretty, so cute. So cute, so pretty.